Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. We are on the Bitcoin US dollar chart and we are using Binance right now only because my regular index chart is pretty cluttered. So I wanted to have a clearer chart here. And starting off, we have this fractal pattern that I've copied from actually June, July of 2021, 2 years ago. Not that that matters, but I just wanted to be clear uh, where I got it from. And it's just essentially another consolidation, slightly downward sloping consolidation, similar to what we've been in for the longest time here. Um, and you can see it's very similar to what we've been doing, especially the last month or so of it. But it doesn't match. It's not going to match perfectly, but you get the idea how we've been oscillating up and down, and this is just very, very similar. And I wanted to reason I'm doing this is because a lot of people think we're just going to keep going down, 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 and that's not the case. This is a shakeout. All the weekends and all that crap is getting shaked out. The market is getting squeezed of every single last Bitcoin and other altcoins and the rest of the market that can be shaken out of it. And when they're all gone, you'll see what happens according to this fractal pattern. And it continued on up. I didn't, I just copied this short little bit here. But you see, as we can come down, down, down in this last final capitulation here, then boom, off we go to the races. I'm not saying that's gonna happen tomorrow, but um, we're on the precipice of a move upwards here. Now, what's brought us down here? I never thought we would continue on for so long, but we've had things like Gary Gensler pulling his crap back here last week, and I really think the market is overreacted to the FOMC meeting. I expect, hopefully, we should recover from that and move back upwards. In the past, I don't have them back here on this chart. When was our last meeting? It was somewhere here in March. I know that we did have a reaction downwards and then back upwards the next day. I think it might have been around here. I'm not sure. Anyway, FOMC meeting was pretty much what I expected. The pause and for the rate. They're just doing what they've said they had planned on doing and sticking to it. So I believe this is an overreaction. I don't think anything bad came out of the meeting, um, and it will correct like this right now. Maybe I don't know. Maybe not necessarily. Let's go to the weekly um, time frame and turn on the Gaussian channel. This is the other thing I wanted to show where we're at here. This is all still not necessarily very good, but still okay. We come right down to the mean band of the Gaussian channel and bounced off of it thus far. Now, this is weekly. On the weekly time frame, it would be okay if we did wick through it, as long as we closed above it. If you go back to 20, let me put this on auto. Oh, I don't have it here on the Binance chart. I'm going to have to go to my other chart. If you go back to 2015, which is very similar to what we're doing now, 2016, 2015, 16, you can see that we did wick through right here. Go to a different cursor. We did wick through right here, but closed above it, so that's okay. We're doing the same thing we did back here, 2016, 15, 16. Just an extended version of it coming out here, but this is our next move. And no doubt in my mind, just dragging out longer than everybody expected. So let's go back to this chart for now. Because anyway, I was looking for a news article on the on my computer here, and I don't know how to do it, but it's on my phone, so it just caught my eye. Titled BlackRock Fidelity Might Be Aggressively Bullish on Bitcoin Amid Bloodbath. And goes on to say, as markets are captured by accelerating fear over attacks from US SEC, some fat cats might be using these opportunities to increase their Bitcoin bags. Here's how aggressively bullish they have been in the last few months. Even those who do not hold Bitcoin directly. Goes on to tell how these guys are heavily invested in MicroStrategy and things like Bitcoin related stock, etc. Says Bank of America also increased its MicroStrategy share through BofA Securities Inc. Its stake size spiked by over 47,000%, as displayed by Bitcoin Culture on Twitter. I guess that's where they got their news from. And it goes on to say more things like that. So, believe you me, these guys are loading up right now. And there's no doubt in my mind that behind the scenes they said, hey, Gary, why don't you go sue Binance and Coinbase so we can load up more on some Bitcoin and other alts, some of the more popular altcoins. Anyway, that's all I have time for right now, and I'll try to get a little bit more in-depth analysis coming to you soon. Uh, Thanks for tuning in, and hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.